lovely home here.
Oh, thank you. Welcome to my home.
Right?
Hope you like white paint.
Great, okay. You said you want like white people?
Yeah, I hope you do.
Yes.
I do. I love it. The whole place is white.
Right. Where are you from?
I'm actually from right outside the beautiful city of Philadelphia, and it's kind of just something that I do for fun.
Right.
I learned how to play, well, I didn't really learn how to play music as a kid, and I learned how to play the guitar, and that's what I normally play. But piano is just kind of fun.
Right. And you never forgot it?
No, I've just kind of been learning the whole time, taking what I know here on guitar, putting it to piano, and basically just I try to learn as much as I can about music and music theory, how to write music. So I can almost play any instrument as long as I can make notes.
Right. So music's your field.
Absolutely, yeah, definitely my passion.
So what's your future in music? Like, what do you want your future to be in music? What's the end goal?
Well, the end goal, hopefully, someday I'd like to make a career of it. Ideally, it would be awesome to be able to play music for people and to be paid and to be able to sustain myself with, either recording albums or playing live shows. That would be the end goal. The future, maybe in a couple of years I'll have an album and I'll be moving towards that goal.
Okay. Do you have a specific genre or do you not care?